All of this time and all of this money, all of these stories I don't owe you, honey. All of these miles in the Chevy and prayers in a few olden days I spent wasted on you. Wasted on you. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. This is How to Play Wasted on You by Morgan Wallen. If you guys have other requests, let me know in the comments, and please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. So, the song is pretty easy to play. There's one chord that's not super commonly used, so I'll teach you how to do that. So it's in standard tuning, and there's no capo. Alright, so very, very cool. So here's the chords you're gonna need for this song, okay? And then I'll show you how to do the strumming pattern and where you play the chords. Alright, so you're gonna do A. Okay. You're also gonna do B minor. Okay, you're gonna do G. You can do either this G or this G. Either one works great. All right, you're gonna do D. So D like that. Okay, and here's the one that's a little bit different. So it's A sharp diminished. So what you're gonna do is when you're doing A like that, the easy transition is you're gonna leave your middle finger on the second fret on the D string. And then you're going to pick this one up, your ring finger, and you're going to move it to the second fret on the B string. And then you're going to put your pinky, all right, your pinky's going to go right there. It's going to go on the third fret on the G string. And then you're going to put your pointer finger, okay, it's going to go on the second fret on the A string, okay? See, okay? And you don't need to bar it, but that's just the way that I'm holding my hand, okay? So that's how you do that. So when you go from A, you're going to do, okay, and then you go down to B minor. All right, so it's just, you can do it. I know you can. All right, so let me know if you guys have any questions on that. So the way that you're going to start this song is you're going to start with A. So you're going to do down, 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 down. Okay, so you're just doing, and then you do the strumming pattern for the whole song. Down, 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 down. Okay, just like that. Down, 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 down. Okay, just like that. Down, 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 the whole time. Okay. Now, so what you're gonna do for this song, you're gonna start with A, and you're gonna go to A sharp diminished. So you're gonna do down, 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 down. So you do that quick switch. Down, down, down. Okay, so down, 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 down. Then you go to B minor. Okay, so A sharp diminished. Sorry, A. Then A sharp diminished. Okay. All right, and then you're gonna go to B minor. And you're gonna stay on that one a little bit longer. Down, 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 down. Then you go to G. Down, 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 down. Okay, then D. Down, 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 down. Okay, then you go back to A and you do the quick from A sharp diminished, and then back to B minor. Down, 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 down. Okay, then G, so that's B minor. Then you go to G, down, 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 down. D, down, 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 down. A, and you do the same thing here. A sharp diminished, D. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna do A. All right, then A sharp diminished, then B minor. Okay, then you do A sharp diminished once, and then you're going to do B minor, G, D, A sharp diminished, and you'll repeat that. Then you'll do B minor, G, D, A sharp diminished. So I'm going to walk you through it once. You're going to do A sharp diminished, B minor, G, D, A sharp diminished, B minor, G, D, A sharp diminished, B minor. Okay, so then after you go through that, okay, then you're gonna do B minor, and I would just strum the chorus, the verses, just strum them softer a little bit than you are doing for the intro and for the chorus. Now, what you could do is you could palm mute it. All right, that'll sound great too. So palm muting is when you put this part of your hand as close as you can to like that white part, and you just pluck mainly strum the bass notes. Okay, you can see it gives it a cool sound. Okay, just like that. So that's how you could do that, or you can just play it softer. And then when you get to the chorus, you'll go. You just do it louder for the chorus, okay? So now I'm going to walk you through where you play the chords for the verse. So what you're going to do when you start is that after you do the dun 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 dun, then you go to B minor. You go, I don't always wake up in the morning. So you do B minor on always. I don't always is B minor. Always wake up in the morning. Okay, morning is G. Morning, pour myself a strong. Okay, strong is D. Strong one. But when I. Okay, so on strong one is D. Strong is D. But when I. Okay, I is A. I get lonely. Okay, lonely is A sharp diminished. Lonely, I do. Do is B minor. Okay. Do your memory gets burning. Burning is G. Burning, lean back on the bourbon. Okay, bourbon is D. Bourbon sure is hell. Okay, hell is A. Hell can't keep learning. Okay, learning is A sharp diminished. Learning on you. Okay, you is where you do B minor. Okay, you looks like I'm learning. Okay, learning right there is G. Learning the hard way again. Again is D. Again, it's all my fault. So here you're just going to do fault. You're not going to do A sharp diminished. You're going to do it's all my fault is A. Fault, yeah, I dropped the ball. Ball is B minor. Ball, you're gone and I've gone. So I've is where you're going to do G. I've gone 3 sheets to the wind. Wind is D. Wind, just thinking about all. Okay, all is where you do A. All the time wasted. Say, all I've wasted. Okay, so wasted is where you can do A sharp diminished. All I've wasted. Okay, wasted. And you do on you. And you is B minor, okay? So then you're going to go from B minor right into the chorus. You're going to do you all of this time. Okay, so now you're just going to go B minor, G, D. So all of this time is G. Time, and all of this money. Okay, money is D. Money. All of these stories is A. Stories, I don't owe you, honey. Okay, honey is B minor. Honey. All of these miles. Okay, miles is G. Miles on this Chevy, and prayers is D. Prayers in a pew all the days. Okay, so you're gonna do days is A. Days I spent, and then A sharp diminished, wasted on you. Okay, so you is B minor. Do you G, wasted on you, and then so you're gonna do you G, wasted on you, and then you go from B minor G, and then G is for wasted on you, and then when you get to you, you're gonna do D. Do you? You do A. Okay, so you're going to do A sharp diminished, B minor. And then as soon as you hit B minor, you're going to go into the chorus. So the way the chorus goes is G, D, A, B minor. G, D, A, B minor. Okay? Well, you should do, after the second A, you should do, I think it sounds better if you do the A sharp diminished, but you don't have to. You could actually just do no chords for wasted. All of them days I spent wasted on you. So you could just do a mute. I think it sounds better if you do, okay, like that, but it's up to you. So you're going to do G, D, A, B minor. G, D, A sharp diminished, B minor, G, D, A sharp diminished. Okay? So here's how that looks. You're going to do all of this time, G, wait, and all of this money, D. All of these stories, A, I don't owe you money. Honey is B minor. Honey. All of these miles, G, on the Chevy, and prayers, D. Prayers in a pew all them days. Okay, days is A. Days I spent wasted on you. Okay, U is B minor. U, G. Waste on you, D. Okay, U. A sharp diminished. Okay, then you go to B minor. And you're just going to go right into the next verse. Yeah, I swore this would be different. Okay, so then you're going to go in the second verse. It's the same as the first one. Okay? You're going to use the same chords and everything. The second chorus is the same for the interlude part where they do the solo. You're going to just do B minor, G, D, A, A sharp diminished, B minor. Okay, so just B minor, G, D, A sharp diminished. All right, then for the bridge, you're just going to do B minor. Okay, sorry, B minor, that was G. B minor, like the pile of your stuff that's packed up. Okay, up is G. Up in the back right, down. Okay, down is A. Down to the strike of this match. Match is D. Okay, so you're doing B minor, A. Sorry, B minor, G, A, D. Match. Okay, wasted on you. Okay, then you're going to do A sharp diminished, wasted on you. U is B minor. And then you do G, wasted on you. Okay, then you do on D again, you're just going to do, on U, you're going to do D. U, A, wasted on you. Okay, that third wasted on you, or yeah, the third wasted on you, you're going to do B minor. Okay, U, G, and then for the fourth one, you're going to do wasted on you, so you're going to do D. So you're just doing B minor, G, D, A, B minor, G, D, A. Okay, U, A. Okay, now for this last one, after you do that A, you're going to do A sharp diminished. Okay, wasted on you, and then you're going to go to, so you're A sharp diminished, B minor, and then you're going to go into the final chorus. All right, and then do all of this time, and then time is G, time and all of this money, all of these stories I don't owe you, honey. Okay, and you're just going to go into that chorus. You can just end the song on a B minor. All right, that's how you play the whole song. Super easy, except for that one chord might trip you up a little bit. But let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's been fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.